Good morning, students. Let's study our chapter number 3, a linear equation in two variables. Now, I told you earlier that if there are two linear equations like a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, if we are having these two pair of linear equations, then if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, then it is having a unique solution. And it is called as consistent. And lines will be intersecting. Okay. Now if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, then we are having infinitely many solutions. And the line will be overlapping. Okay, and it is also called consistent. Lines will be overlapping. That is one above the other. And now if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2, then we are having no solution. No solutions. Lines will be parallel. Parallel lines, and it is called as inconsistent. Okay, now you have to remember this, students. It is very important. Okay, students. Now let us understand this concept with the help of an example. Now here is a question. On comparing the ratios a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point, are parallel or coincident, and we have given three equations. So how to solve this? Let us take the first example. 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0 and 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. So here a1 is equal to 5 and a2 is equal to 7, b1 is equal to minus 4, b2 is equal to 6, c1 is equal to 8 and c2 is equal to minus 9. Now let's see. Since a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. a1 upon a2 is what? 5 by 7, and this is minus 4 by 6. So they are not equal. Hence the lines will be intersecting. Hence the lines will be intersecting. Okay, now let's take another example. Nine x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. So here a1 is equal to 9, a2 is equal to 18, b1 is equal to 3, b2 is equal to 6, c1 is equal to 12 and c2 is equal to 24. Now a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. 9 by 18 is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 12 by 24. So this is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. So since a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, hence the lines will be coincident or overlapping. Hence the line lines will be coincident. Okay, now let's see the third one. 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0 and 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. Minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. Now again here a1 is 6, a2 is 2, b1 is minus 3, b2 is minus 1, c1 is 10 and c2 is equal to 9. Now a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 and is not equal to c1 upon c2. 6 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 1 is equal to 10 by 9. So this is equal to 3 by 1, this again is equal to 3 by 1 and this is equal to 10 by 9. This is not equal to. Okay, hence the lines will be parallel. P-R-A-L-L-E-L, parallel. That is no solution. Okay students, I think that is clear to you. Now students, let's solve another question. Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find the dimensions of the garden. So solution, let this is a garden. Whose length is x meter and breadth is y meter. So we know that the perimeter of a rectangle, since perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 times length into breadth, यानी 2 times x plus y. And since half of the perimeter, that means half 2 times x plus y, this is equal to 36 meter, or x plus y is equal to 36 meter. This is equation 1. Also it is given that the length is 4 meter more than its width. Also length is 4 meter more than its width. So x is equal to 4 plus y. Okay, or x minus y is equal to 4 meter. Now let's compare the equations. X plus y is equal to 36 and x minus y is equal to 4. Add these two equations. This is 2x is equal to 40, x is equal to 20, or 20 minus y is equal to 4, y is equal to 16. So the length is, hence length is equal to 20 meter and width is equal to 16 meter. This is the answer. Okay students.